Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Miss Event Planner. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some very cute and sweet birthday ideas if you're doing a donut or sprinkled themed cupcake birthday. Of course, you guys have to make sure the atmosphere is fun and ready for your children to enjoy the event. Balloons are always a good idea and are just so fun and festive.
Taking off in 5, taking pictures of the streets here to keep them in mind. Getting ready now. There's a reason why we got to believe in this town. Dodging every flying bullet, they are filling up the air. Couldn't catch us there now, could you? Dodging every flying bullet, we were bad to all of you. If you only really knew. A girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do in the fuss. Yeah, it's all about us. Don't you see, baby? A girl's gotta take a flight every once in a while. Leave no girl behind. See my girls and a girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do what a girl's. A girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do in the fuss. Yeah, it's all about us. Keep my sisters tied. There is no way you can beat 'em. My partners in crime, dodging every flying bullet. They are filling up the air. Couldn't catch us there now, could you? Dodging every flying bullet. Can't prepare yourself for us. There is nothing to discuss. A girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do in the fuss. Yeah, it's all about us. Don't you see, baby? A girl's gotta take a flight every once in a while. Leave no girl behind. See my girls and a girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do what a girl's. A girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do in the fuss. Yeah, it's all about us.
Oh my gosh.
Girls gotta do what a girl's gotta do in the fuss. Yeah, it's all about us.
I hope you guys got some inspiration on throwing your next child's birthday, whether it be a donut or a cupcake birthday party. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in another video.